Hey guys, welcome to Food Shastra again. We are making another video.
Of a new type of sandwich.
It's not a new type of sandwich. We're trying to replicate a Subway sandwich. Okay?
Oh.
So, here's your bucket.
Need a long bucket.
Take the wrappers off.
And now
Try to cut it maybe a 6-inch sandwich.
cut it in the middle
Cut in the middle.
so we can open it and put the fillings.
We'll try to scrape a little bit of these bread to make some space for our fillings. Yeah.
Next, add some cheese in.
So let's put some cheese in here. Cheese.
Open wide.
We'll just try to put cheese, and we'll just
Add the rest
toast
of
it.
the
Toast it real quick. We have slightly toasted this bread, not much.
But only a
Then-
little.
Yeah. So we're trying to make a vegetarian sandwich today. So here's our bread. And
Next, we'll have some toasted
toasted paneer.
paneer inside.
Yeah, we just toast this paneer with little bit of salt and in
Olive oil
in olive oil. Yeah,
on a frying pan.
in a frying pan.
Next, add some
Next, add some vegetables. Here is our veggies. Add some lettuce.
lettuce
Lettuce like leaves. Other one. Not too much. Leave some space for other veggies as well.
Next comes the bell peppers.
Bell peppers.
Red,
Red one and
and yellow.
one yellow one.
Two.
That's going to be too much bell pepper.
Oh, okay.
Then
A little bit of onion.
sliced onion. Bit of cucumber.
Love cucumber.
You love cucumber? This I'm making for you. Then our beef tomato, the big one, and
Very big. And some olives.
some olives.
4 olives.
Now we are going to add some bit of maybe salt and pepper.
Salt. A little bit. A little bit of peppers. Well, after.
A little bit of pepper as well.
Now, some garlic sauce.
Now some garlic sauce.
Now, a little bit of chili sauce.
If you want chili
sweet
sauce,
chili.
or I'll add some sriracha sauce.
Sriracha sauce.
Bit of
And sweet chili sauce.
sweet chili sauce.
Not too much.
Not too much though.
It's going to drip.
Now it's time to
Close. Not sure if it will fit.
now it's time to wrap. Here is our sack
Didn't know it would fit.
and